think a joke this. Top attorney couldn't help them. Here where one person said, Lord, me a crack up upon the ground me there. Somebody else said, no more shelling down, no more money pull up, no more flossing, no more burning of $5,000 bills, and no more washing of expensive cars with expensive champagne. Another one said, Mama ban your belly, you no ball yet. Just wait till the gavel come down on them in the U.S. federal court. I hope you're not balling then, because the support from the criminal enterprise will surely dry up. This is a story of what we come to talk about today. Alright, sir. Look how long me I tell them, sir. The long arms of the United States of America law is going to be reaching into Jamaica soon and picking up people. Remember one time about a year ago, SouFLoTV, right here, I was telling you about the extradition rules, laws and regulations that were coming, that were going to be put in place, especially where lotto scamming is concerned. But right now, you can get extradited for anything across the board. Busy Signal feel it already and him famous. Who again? Shotman gone. You know what I say? Enough people feel it already. So here we are today talking about an alleged eight alleged members of a lottery scam network, including a serving member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the mother of the alleged leader and mastermind of the scam, Laverick Willocks, them all call out him name, are to be extradited to the United States of America from Jamaica. Hi! Boy, fire catch their shot. Watch out now. The group who had challenged the extradition request was yesterday ordered extradited by Parish Judge Vaughn Smith following a hearing in Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. Constable Jason Jalali, Alric MacLeod, O'Neill Brown, Zanu and Morgan, Dario Palmer, Kazray Gray, Kimberly Hudson, and Willock's mother, Delia Hunter, have been indicted on one count of conspiracy and attempting to commit wire fraud, 48 counts of wire fraud, 15 counts of mail fraud, and 1 count of money laundering in the state of North Dakota in the United States of America. They are alleged to be part of a criminal organization that manifested in 2009 in Jamaica and elsewhere, and is alleged to have built more than 80 people in the United States of America and elsewhere out of a total sum of 5.6 million US dollars. Now, when I did the video, right, I said, if a foreigner no want go, don't worry, you not even have to apply for visa when you soon reach, right? Them will give you some silver bangle and a nice room and on a private flight. People, me get cussed. My own Jamaican people cuss me when I'm trying to uplift them. I don't promote this kind of bull crap, okay? I know I say get up out of poverty by any means necessary, and I know I say that not all of us can reach there at the same time or the same way, right? We all have a journey for trod. But when you go take up this scamming thing here, all you do, I beg for eventually get found out and eventually be haul and pull by them people here. Cause look on this now. Them will draw you with extradite you from Jamaica go serve time in a foreign. Eh? No sir. Judge Smith, in handing down his ruling, said, based on the evidence presented by U.S. authorities, he was satisfied that a prima facie case has been made out against all 8 of them, and that the accused appeared to have been aware of the scam and willingly participated in it. Then a must. The judge also pointed out that he noted the concerns of the defense counsel, who had argued that they should be released as the offenses of wire and mail fraud were not laws in Jamaica. They don't care. You in a Jamaica a break United States law, the United States of America is going to reach into Jamaica and drag your ass over to the United States, and you will be doing time in a foreign prison. Remember me telling you that. I was telling you all that a year ago. Alright, we're watching it unfold. However, he said that under the extradition treaty, the offense must also be identical to crimes committed in Jamaica and that the two charges were similar to offenses under the Larceny Act. Judge Smith also pointed to a concern raised by Hudson's lawyer Bert Samuels, who argued that his client was the mother of an infant child, having given birth just last year while in custody, and that the child's father was recently extradited. I saw. He said too that Hudson's extradition would be oppressive. Let me tell you something before I read any further. The United States of America don't give a damn about oppressive, okay? When it's time for you to go to prison after you've broken the law, guess what? Them not care. This is one place where we know so them not care. They will take your children out of your home, literally put them in foster care and then foster them out to families who want to adopt children, so your child is left up to the system. That is your responsibility to deal with. More than likely they're going to say it like this: you should have thought about that before you indulge in breaking the law. Alright. But the judge indicated that while he understands the concern for the infant's well-being, he did not agree that the extradition will be oppressive. Oppressive to who? The only person that got suffer now are the picnic. Willox and members of his network were captured last year during a major crackdown by the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch. Willox was extradited last month after waiving his rights to an extradition hearing. According to allegations read out in court, Jalali collected he collected $35,000 through the scheme and was close friends with Willox, with whom he had attended school. So they are friends from school days. The allegations also indicated that Jalali would often travel to the United States to oversee the collection of large sums of money, and that when an issue arises, he would intervene and give advice. Family members of the accused, remember SouFLoTV did a video recently when we talk about internet and these things and how they mash up, how they might help mash up Jamaica society and get the people them in a trouble. Alright, so you connect the dots where you may. Family members of the accused, including Jalali's mother, cried openly in court following the ruling. Jesus, my picnic gone to waste now. That's what she said. She was overheard crying before she burst into tears and had to be rushed from the courtroom. Attorney Bert Samuels represented Hudson. Fillmore Scott represented Jalali. Christopher Townsend represented Brown and Palmer, while Tom Tavares Finson represented Hunter, Gray, and McLeod. The accused have the next 15 days in which to appeal their extradition order in the Supreme Court. It's not going to happen. We're still waiting on Vybz Kartel's case to go through the Supreme Court. And here is Tom Tavares Finson, which is Vybz Kartel's lead attorney. First of all, let me tell you something. Right? When time you have enough money as a regular citizen of Jamaica, figure hire them kind of high-powered attorney here, because Tom Tavares Finson does not defend clients based on a bag of peanuts and some groceries. Him not do no barter exchange, so he ain't taking no yam banana dumpling and no yam banana and breadfruit and them something there. Him not take no little bit of money. Tom Tavares Finson is actually somewhat of a celebrity attorney. So your money so tall, 5.6 million US is what they have them on record for. And apparently they have been tracking them since what, 2009 I think? A long time that, yep. Since 2009. They were alleged to be part of a criminal organization that manifested in 2009. So from 2009 them track them. That's why I said in the video that I did, some people under surveillance for a long time. 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 15, 16, 17. So roughly 8 years later is when them grab on you Now, when these people track you from 2009 to 2017 and grab you, there's little chance, if any at all, that you're going to get away. But I can say, if me the involved in a scam that netted me and my crew, if we never floss out the whole of the money, 5-point-something million US dollars, I think I could afford a Tom Tavares Finson, and I probably would spend it because these are desperate conditions, right? Trying to get out of. Their case is not going to go to no Supreme Court that quickly. So, more than likely, they will be extradited to the United States of America. Tom Tavares takes another loss. I have never heard of Tom Tavares Finson really losing a case before, except for Vybz Kartel's case. But that case is still going to be on appeal, and we wait to see what the outcome will be. But here he is again taking another loss on a case where, boy, you better didn't go get alkaline attorney here, sir. I don't know. But see the people, so the lotto scamming thing might not be as hot as it was one time before, but remember me tell you, say, them attract people from way back when, and anybody still a dibble-dabble in a that and didn't get no sense in them head yet, if you stop your activities in that, take the little money, go hide it somewhere, flip it into something legal. I know I'm up here giving advice to criminals on how to launder money, but that is not what I'm doing. I'm trying to say that if you did not have some common sense by now, if you're still dibbling and dabbling in that by at this time in 2017, you too will be getting your free trip to the United States of America, where you will be joined by many of the same sex in a big building with cage door. Yo, some of them prisoners up here say them not even have cage door, and then people here pride themselves on doing things like solitary confinement. That alone is scary. To be locked in a room, I want a whole other topic this enough, but may I show you how it's going to mash you up. When you come from a place where you wake up in the morning and you hear caca crow, right? And you hear chick 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 and chicken out the door and roof 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 dog a bark, you hear the wind a blow, you hear breeze a beat down upon zinc roof, and all kind of sounds, car a pass out a road and everything like that. Especially if you come from down in the country parts there. To get taken away from that, when them put you in a room, a solitary confinement room, where the only thing you can hear in there are sounds that you make, and once you stop moving, silence starts swallow you up. You're bound to go crazy in that blood clot. So that alone is a deterrent for me. Me not in a none of that. Anybody else that think that that's their cup of tea and they can weather that storm, good luck to you. Wanna see it? They're drawing people out of Jamaica and extraditing them to the United States of America to serve their time, as I told you they would about a year ago. Alright? The SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this story right here. Another couple of people, another set of people gone out of Jamaica. See it there? So they're not only shipping in illegal immigrants out of their country into Jamaica back, they are grabbing criminals out of Jamaica that are breaking their laws in their country and extraditing them over there to face time over there. Alright? I'm out, man. And don't forget to hit that bell next to the subscribe button so you get first updated on new videos when they're uploaded to SouFLoTV. Peace.